Hello dear students, in numerical methods of interpolation, today we will discuss the Newton backward difference formula. So this is lecture 3rd of interpolation. See, this is the x values, suppose x0 to xn, and this is y equal to fx values, that is y0 equal to f of x0, means on substituting the value of x0 in given function y equal to fx, we get y0 equal to f of x0, and y x1 again y equal to fx, we get y1 equal to f of x1. On substituting the value of x2, we get y2 equal to f of x2, x3 y3 equal to f of x3 dot 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 yn f of xn. So what is the Newton backward difference formula? Newton backward difference formula is y equal to fx equal to yn plus u of del yn plus u plus 1 divided by factorial 2 plus del square yn plus u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by factorial 3 plus del cube yn plus dot dot dot, where u equal to x minus xn divided by h, and then x equal to xn plus uh. Here by mistake p, here is uh. Again I repeat the students, again I repeat the Newton backward difference formula. Y equal to fx equal to yn plus u of del yn plus u plus 1 divided by factorial 2 del square yn plus u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by factorial 3 del cube yn plus dot dot dot, where u equal to x minus xn divided by h. That implies x equal to xn plus uh. So this is the Newton backward difference formula. Now with the help of this formula, see, this is the problems regarding the backward difference formula. Find the cubic polynomial which takes the following values. The value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3 for equal intervals, and y equal to 1, 2, 1, 10. Also find the values of y4. So this is the problems related to Newton backward difference formula. Now the solution of this problem. The table of finite differences. So first we draw the table of finite differences. In the first column, the given values of x, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is also given y is 1, 2, 1, 10. First, in the third column, that is del y. Del y is the difference between the values of y. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 10 minus 1, that is 9. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग del y निकालेंगे. del y निकालने का प्रोसेस ये है कि y के वैल्यू को डिफरेंस करेंगे, that is 2 minus 1, और उसके मिडिल में लिखेंगे, put in the middle. Similarly, the process is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 10 minus 1, that is 9. The process again repeat for del square y. 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. 9 minus minus plus, it becomes 10. Now del cube y. 10 minus again minus 2, that is 12. So this is the del cube y. Now indicate as a circle. The last value of x is known as xn. The last value of y is yn. The last value of del y is known as del y. The last value of del square y is known as del square y, and the last value of del cube y, that is del cube y. Now using the Newton's backward difference formula. What is Newton's backward difference formula? Y equal to yn plus u of del yn plus u plus 1 divided by factorial 2 del square yn plus u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by factorial 3 del q y plus dot dot dot. This is equation number 1. Here we have already discussed the last value of x is known as xn, that is 3. And what is h? H is the interval. So see, the interval we can easily define the difference between the x value 1 minus 0, that is 1. Yn is last value of y series, that is 10. So the formula of u is x minus xn divided by h. So xn is 3, h value is 1, so u equal to x minus 3. Again I repeat the process. First we draw the table of finite differences. This is the x column already given. This is the y table already given. First we grab del y, difference between y, and put in the middle, difference between these two, put in the middle, difference between these two, put in the middle. Then we find del square y. Again the same process, minus, I have already indicated by arrow, minus 1 that is minus 2, 9 minus minus plus 1 that is 10, difference between these two, that is 12, by using Newton backward difference formula. And we have the following values, that is xn, h, yn, 10, and u is x minus 3. Now on substituting all these value of xn, yn, and u value in equation 1, we get y equal to 10 plus, this is the value of u, x minus 3 of 9 plus x minus 3 x minus 2 divided by factorial 2. Factorial 2 can be written as 2 into 1 of 10 plus x minus 3 x minus 2 x minus 1 divided by factorial 3. Factorial 3 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 of 10. On simplification of this becomes the polynomial 2x cube minus 7x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the required polynomial. Now we have to find also y4. So for y4, what we do, on substituting in place of x equal to 4, so we get 2 of 4 to the power cube minus 7 of 4 of a square plus 6 of 4 plus 1, and after simplification we get y of 4 equal to 41. So this is the process to find Newton backward difference formula, and the value of y4 is like this, 41. We get the result 41. Thank you.